Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And believe it or not, but we read the comments that you put below these videos. And we've seen how many of you are saying, yeah, these are awesome trucks, but I'm not in the market for a $100,000 plus rig. What do you got that's less? Well, we're here today with our new Jackal Sport builds, and we've got good news for you. These builds have a retail price installed below $10,000, and there's great deals on trucks right now. For example, you can get a truck like this for under $50,000. So take a couple of minutes, let's watch this video. We'll go through these trucks and talk about how you could have a badass PaxPower build in your driveway for a reasonable price. For the past few years, truck prices have been going up and up and up and up. But the good news is, late in 2024 and into 2025, we're seeing that reverse and truck prices fall dramatically. That's allowing you to get $6,000, $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 off of MSRP on a new Silverado or GMC. We looked before we came out here, and you can get a truck like this for $49,000. And that's a heck of a buy. This truck is an RST coming in an awesome color. You know, this is a truck that I would consider buying myself. But we know that when you guys go to the truck lot, the trucks look boring. They're low, they have small wheels and tires, nothing exciting about them. And you guys want them to look different, ride better, have big wheels and tires, things like that. Well, that's why we've come up with this new Jackal Sport package. This gives you all of those elements. For visual differences, we add these fender flares that both give it a distinct look and an extra couple of inches of coverage. We add our suspension system, which at PaxPower, we're always about high-end suspension. So we use a Fox 2.0 coilover in the front. A forged upper control arm gives us about a 3-inch lift. And out back, we have some matching Fox shocks. Then this lift allows us to run these wheels and tires. Customers with PaxPower, you get to choose your wheels and tires, but we tend to go with Method 17s and BFG 35s. We think these look awesome, ride awesome, and think this is going to be what a lot of people are going to want to do to their truck, their stock truck, when it leaves the lot. Let's say you want something a little bit nicer, more luxurious. Let's say you're a GMC guy. Well, we've got you covered there as well. This is our Jackal Sport package for the GMCs. And much like the Silverados, the same ingredients. Fox 2.0 coilovers, control arm, wheels and tires. We also do a Borla exhaust. I forgot to mention that over there. You know, everything you need to make your truck look, ride, perform different. And one thing about these smaller packages is that we're open to sending these to you. Yes, it always is great. Send your truck from wherever in the country or world to us at PaxPower and we'll modify it. But also with these smaller packages, we're interested in sending the package to you. So if you are interested in us palleting this build up and sending it either to you, or maybe you have a truck at a dealership, or maybe you are a dealer and you would like some trucks like this on your lot. These smaller packages for PaxPower were designed with that in mind. We would love to package this up and send it to you and get the truck to you even easier. If these Jackal Sport packages sound appealing to you, please reach out to us. We love getting to know you guys. We love figuring out exactly what you want, and we can tailor this package to you. So as always, if you would like a PaxPower truck in your driveway, the first step is give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.